A veteran Russian cosmonaut with 560 days in space pulled from a SpaceX mission just 2 months before launch. His crime? Allegedly photographing classified rocket engines with his phone at SpaceX headquarters. This is the first time a cosmonaut has been removed from a US commercial space mission over national security concerns, and the story that's unfolding right now is wild. Stay with me, because what happened behind closed doors at SpaceX could change international space cooperation forever. Let me set the scene for you. It's December 2nd, 2025. Roscosmos, Russia's space agency, quietly drops an announcement that most people would have completely missed. Cosmonaut Oleg Artemyev has been removed from the Crew 12 mission to the International Space Station. His replacement? Andrei Fedyaev, another experienced cosmonaut. Now, on the surface, this sounds routine, right? Crew changes happen. People get sick, schedules shift, whatever. But here's where it gets interesting. Roscosmos says the decision was made because Artemyev was transferred to another job. That's it. No details, no explanation. Just a vague statement about a job transfer. But removing someone from a space mission 2.5 months before launch? For a job transfer? That's like benching your star quarterback before the Super Bowl because he got a new paperwork assignment. It doesn't add up. And when things don't add up in the space world, investigative journalists start digging. Before we get into what allegedly happened, you need to understand who we're talking about here. This isn't some rookie cosmonaut or a minor player. Oleg Artemyev is 54 years old and is what you'd call space royalty. He's a hero of the Russian Federation. That's basically their highest honor. The guy has completed 3 missions to the International Space Station, spending a total of 560 days in orbit. That's over a 1.5 years floating in space, conducting experiments, doing spacewalks, the whole deal. His first mission launched in March 2014, then again in March 2018, and most recently in March 2022. And that last one is particularly important to this story, which we'll get to in a minute. Artemyev isn't just a cosmonaut either. Since 2019, he's been a deputy in the Moscow City Duma, which is like being on Moscow's city council. He's also a member of United Russia, the dominant political party in Russia. So this guy has connections, political standing, and a spotless record, until now. When you have someone of this caliber suddenly pulled from a mission with barely any explanation, alarm bells start ringing. And that's exactly what happened. Here's where the story explodes. Just days after the official announcement, The Insider, a Russian investigative news site, published a bombshell report. According to their sources, Artemyev wasn't just transferred to another job. He was removed from Crew 12 for violating ITAR. Now, if you're not familiar, ITAR stands for International Traffic in Arms Regulations. It's a United States law that's designed to protect national security by restricting how sensitive defense-related technology and information can be shared with foreign nationals. And SpaceX technology? Yeah, that falls under ITAR protection. So what exactly did Artemyev allegedly do? According to the Insider's report and a Telegram channel called Yura Forgive Me, which focuses on Russian spaceflight, the violations occurred last week while Artemyev was training at SpaceX's headquarters in Hawthorne, California. The allegation is this: Artemyev used his personal phone to photograph SpaceX rocket engines and other internal sensitive materials. Then, and this is the crucial part, he allegedly took that data off-site, removing it from the secure SpaceX facility. Let me be clear, at SpaceX facilities, especially in areas where sensitive technology is being developed or stored, there are strict protocols about electronic devices. You can't just whip out your phone and start snapping photos of cutting-edge rocket technology. That's exactly the kind of thing ITAR is designed to prevent. Launch analyst Georgy Trishkin spoke to The Insider and said his sources confirmed that an A violation occurred and an interdepartmental investigation has been launched. He added something really telling. Removing someone from a mission 2.5 months before the A mission without a clear explanation is more of an indirect sign, but it's indicative. It's very difficult to imagine a situation in which an experienced cosmonaut could inadvertently commit such a gross violation. Think about that. This is someone who's been through years of training, who's worked with international partners for over a decade, who knows the rules inside and out. For him to accidentally photograph classified material, That seems unlikely. Now, there's another layer to this story that makes it even more complicated, and we need to talk about it. Remember I mentioned Artemyev's last spaceflight in March 2022? That mission launched just 1 month after Russia invaded Ukraine, the war that's still ongoing today. In July 2022, while Artemyev was still on the International Space Station, something of controversy happened. Roscosmos posted photos of Artemyev and 2 of his fellow cosmonauts holding flags of 2 Russian-backed separatist territories in Ukraine, the self-proclaimed Donetsk and Luhansk People's Republics. This was a big deal. NASA and the head of the European Space Agency condemned the photo op, stressing that the ISS should not be used as a platform for wartime propaganda. The station is supposed to be above politics, literally and figuratively. It's a symbol of international cooperation, a place where Americans, Russians, Europeans, Japanese, and others work together for science and exploration, regardless of what's happening on Earth. So Artemyev already had a history of actions that blurred the line between his role as a cosmonaut and his political affiliations. Does that mean he's guilty of the current allegations? No, but it does provide context for why US authorities might be especially vigilant about his activities. The geopolitical backdrop matters here. Relations between the US and Russia are at their coldest point since the Cold War. Yet somehow, the space program has continued to function. NASA astronauts fly on Russian Soyuz rockets. Russian cosmonauts fly on SpaceX Crew Dragon capsules. It's one of the last areas where the 2 countries still cooperate. But that cooperation requires trust. And if that trust is violated, if one side believes the other is using the partnership to gather intelligence or compromise security, the whole thing could collapse. Here's what's really fascinating: the silence from the major players. NASA? No comment. They haven't officially said a word about why Artemyev was removed or whether any investigation is taking place. SpaceX? Complete silence. Elon Musk's company, which usually isn't shy about making announcements, has said absolutely nothing publicly. Roscosmos? Just that vague statement about a job transfer with no additional details. According to Trishkin, the launch analyst, NASA actively does not want this story to become public. And you can understand why. The optics are terrible. If it turns out that a Russian cosmonaut was using his access to SpaceX training facilities to gather intelligence on American rocket technology, that's a massive breach of trust that could jeopardize future cooperation. On the flip side, if there was no actual wrongdoing, and this is just paranoia or miscommunication, then falsely accusing an experienced cosmonaut of espionage could be equally damaging to the partnership. So everyone's staying quiet, letting the official explanation of a job transfer stand, even though virtually no one believes it. The replacement cosmonaut, Andrei Fedyaev, is actually a smart choice if you're trying to minimize disruption. He flew on the Crew 6 mission in 2023, so he's already familiar with SpaceX's Crew Dragon systems and NASA procedures. He can slot into the training program relatively quickly. But the fact that they had to make this swap so close to launch, Crew 12 is scheduled for no earlier than February 2026, which is just 2 months away, suggests this wasn't a planned change. Something happened, and it happened recently. Let's zoom out and talk about what this incident means for the bigger picture of international space cooperation. First, this appears to be unprecedented. As far as we can tell, this is the first time a cosmonaut has been removed from a US commercial crew mission over alleged national security concerns. That's a significant escalation. Second, it highlights just how sensitive private sector space technology has become. SpaceX isn't NASA. It's a private company with proprietary technology that the US government considers strategically important. The Falcon 9 rocket, the Crew Dragon capsule, the Raptor engines being developed for Starship, all of this falls under strict export control regulations. The message this sends to future international crew members is clear. Export control rules apply to you, personally. Taking photos of sensitive tech, even if you think it's innocent or educational, can end your career and create an international incident. Third, this is a stress test for ISS cooperation. The station partnership has survived sanctions, war, threats, and political tensions between the US and Russia. But if security agencies start viewing partner astronauts as potential intelligence risks, can that cooperation continue? There's a real question here about whether the ISS partnership can survive if trust breaks down. The US needs Russian Soyuz capsules as backup transportation. Russia benefits from NASA's funding and technology. Ending the partnership would hurt both sides. But if incidents like this keep happening, or if this particular incident is as serious as it appears, we could be looking at the beginning of the end for US-Russia space cooperation. So where does this leave us? As of right now, officially, cosmonaut Oleg Artemyev was removed from Crew 12 because of a job transfer. Unofficially, multiple sources report that he violated US export control regulations by photographing sensitive SpaceX technology, and an interdepartmental investigation is underway. We don't know yet what will happen to Artemyev. Will he face charges? Will he lose his position as a cosmonaut? Will this become a major diplomatic incident, or will it be quietly swept under the rug? What we do know is that this story reveals the hidden tensions in international space cooperation. It shows how difficult it is to maintain partnerships between countries that don't trust each other on Earth, while expecting them to work together seamlessly in space. The International Space Station has been humanity's home in orbit for over 24 years. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we cooperate across borders. But it's also fragile, dependent on personal relationships and institutional trust that can be damaged by a single incident. Crew 12 is still scheduled to launch in February 2026. Andrei Fedyaev will fly in Artemyev's place. The mission will probably go ahead as planned. But the questions raised by this incident aren't going away. Can the US and Russia continue to work together in space while they're adversaries on Earth? How do you balance the benefits of international cooperation with the risks of sharing sensitive technology? And what happens when personal actions by individual astronauts or cosmonauts threaten that delicate balance? These are the questions we'll be wrestling with in the months ahead. Drop a comment letting me know what you think. Was Artemyev conducting espionage, sparking another Cold War, or is this an overreaction?